Aħna nagħmlu appuntamenti ieħor għal magħkom għada fl-10 ta' filgħodu. Inselmilkom.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging you, oh, let me be your man. Jolene, 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 please don't leave me just because you can.
Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green.
Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I'm so in love with you, Jolene.
You talk about him in your sleep, it's all that I can do to keep from crying when you call his name, Jolene.
Though I can easily understand, you take the breath of every man, but he can know what you mean to me. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, let me be your man. Jolene, 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 please don't leave me just because you can.
You could have your choice of men, but I could never love again. You're the only one for me, Jolene.
I have to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you. Whatever you decide, you'll do, Jolene.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, let me be your man. Jolene, 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 please don't leave me just because you can.